Hi everyone, I want to show you how to do the proper uninstall, installation, and delete storage so that you can log in properly when we do our major update for Service Activator. So I'm inside the Google Play Store right now. I'm going to go up here to the search and I'm going to search for Service Activator. I'm going to scroll past all of the ads and I'm going to go to Service Activator here and click on it. Yours might look a little bit different. It's actually, mine says uninstall and open. Yours is going to say uninstall and update. So the first thing you have to do is uninstall the application. So we're going to go ahead and click uninstall. We're going to allow this to uninstall for a second. And then now install is available. I'm going to go ahead and click install. And I want to point out in the middle of your screen, it says beta version 2.0.7. That is the major update that you're going to be installing that will connect you to the new version of the web application. Okay, so now it's finished. It says open. I am not going to open it yet. I'm going to go ahead and go to the home screen and I'm going to click and hold on the app icon where it says Service Activator. There's a little eye with a circle around it. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And this takes me into the app info screen. So what I'm doing is there's three things I'm going to do here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for something that says storage. So I see storage down here. I'm going to click on storage. And down at the bottom, it says clear data. Yours might say clear storage or something like that. Clear data is what you want. And we're going to go ahead and delete the data. Next thing we're going to do is click back from storage. Next thing we're going to look for is battery. So go ahead and click on battery. Right now you can see it says optimize. We're going to change it to unrestricted. This is going to help you with check-ins. It will allow you to get check-ins even if your screen is off. Last thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to permissions and we're going to click on permissions. We're going to go to location and we're going to click allow all the time. And that's it. So now you can go back to your home screen. You can open up Service Activator, put in your phone number and log in like normal. Thanks so much for watching.